Hello, today we are going to make 2 bottles out of 1 bottle of Thieves laundry detergent. Your clothes are touching you all day, you're lying in your bed sheets all night. Really important for you to think about what laundry detergent you're using and what laundry detergent you're using on your family and your kids. So this is my favorite, of course, and this is 64 loads. It's super duper concentrated. You actually only need like a quarter, when you take the lid off, you only need a quarter cap for HE because it's so ultra concentrated. And there's a hack that I use all the time. I didn't make it up, I learned it, so I wanted to share it with you. So this is a full brand new bottle of Thieves laundry detergent, 64 loads, and this is an empty one that I've already finished. So I'm going to take my empty one and pour it in my empty bottle. Always save your empty bottles till it's half and half. So let's just see. Not quite. Super fast, super easy. Again, think of, even if it's gentle and free at the grocery store, it is still, it's not likely chemical free. It's just labeled that way. Let's see, a little bit more. See, I think we're about good there. So half and half. I've put half the bottle in here, half the bottle in here. Now I'm going to take my Thieves all-purpose cleaner and I'm going to put in 3 capfuls. Let's just work with 1 for now. So this is 1 of the bottles. I'm going to put in 3 capfuls of my all-purpose cleaner. I have kids, we have messy clothes, so I'm going to do 3. You could just do 2 if it's maybe you don't have a lot of dirty clothes to clean. So I did 3 capfuls of my Thieves all-purpose cleaner, and then I'm going to add distilled water. I like distilled water. I don't buy distilled water. I just boil my water and then let it cool, and then I pop it in here. And you can fill this right up to the top. Just trying to keep an eye so I don't overflow. Right to the very top, you get the point. There we go. So I would do the same with my other bottle. I would add 3 capfuls of Thieves soap and pull it to the top. If you don't have an extra bottle yet, just pour it into a glass container for now and save it. And then when this one's done, pour it all back into here to mix. So I'm going to put my lid back on. I'm just going to give it a little shake, and there we go. I have 2 bottles for the price of 1. Thanks.